Okay, so we're here today at the, what they call the Esjane, which is the pharmacy. And the pharmacies here, there's like 20 or 30 of them. Some of them carry something, some of them don't. So you have to go to different ones to find everything. But we're here today because it's our last day here. We want to get all of our meds taken care of before we go back to the US because they're so expensive in the United States. We don't want to spend that kind of money. Here we can get about $1,000 worth of medications for about $18, so it's a big difference. We're just gonna go around town and do our last minute stuff. You wanna come with? Let's go. Well, you know, while you were in there getting batteries, what were we getting batteries for?
The my blood sugar
Oh,
monitor.
so I was having a conversation with this gentleman. Turns out, you know, that whole wrestling bandana he's got around his butt, that he was in a pretty hefty match with some chick and took her headband, and
I think he just tripped downtown during construction.
Look, it's so cute though. It's a pink pirate headband. These are the things that we do during the day. We have nothing to do. We just go talk to mannequins.
I still think he went through the construction zone.
Yeah, well, it's pretty much all a construction zone because it's winter, so the scooters are kind of having a day. Where do you want to go next?
I think we have everything.
Let's go down to the beach.
How about we go finish packing? That's the word.
Oh,
Go
yeah, we can do that. So we thought we'd come down by the harbor, chillax a little bit, just sit by the water, relax. That's the bird sanctuary. Sorry, that's the bird sanctuary. They don't allow boats within like this huge area so that the birds can just have a place to go. It goes all the way to Chalish, actually. Pretty cool. Relax time, huh?
Yeah.
A little bit of relaxing before we spend 2 days on planes. So I'm wearing a sweatshirt, but it's probably, I'm sweating, so it's probably about, I'd say 71, 72 degrees out. Yeah. And it's a week before Christmas. Not bad weather here in the wintertime. It was raining for like a week, but it's cleared up. It looks nice. It's a really nice day out. Look at some of the ducks over here. This is the protected area. Yeah. Get clean, take your bath. Oh, he's gonna get her. He's gonna get her. There you go. Get nice and clean. Look at this. This one up on the hill that's getting ready to jump in just looks a little strange for a duck. He's got like a rooster head. Doesn't he have a rooster head? Come on, rooster. Come on, rooster. Look at the little baby one. This little white one's just a baby. Rooster don't want to get in the water. That rooster don't want to get in the water. Oh, there he goes, there he goes. Good landing, good landing. Look, he's got a big old tail. Yeah, I don't know. I think a rooster and a duck like mated. He's a ruck or a dooster. Is he a ruck or a dooster?
I don't know, that was weird.
I know.
I'm not rushing you, I was just turning the cars around.
No, you're fine. I just figured we'd get going. So it's not everywhere you can sunbathe in the sun in December, 1 week before Christmas, but we're here. This is a little trip along the promenade. Wanna go ahead, me? Yeah. Yeah, that's good. There we go. Perfect. Swimming in winter. It's so nice out here. I feel like I should buy a t-shirt. There's Billy's Bar. The puppies are all sleeping. There's the Crimson. So nice out. My goodness. Good night, in. Everybody's playing in the water. Sunday sale, babe, I think. Oh, nope. Maybe not. Ice cream, juices, people working. It is a Saturday, not a Sunday, so. Sailboats are out. This is the Indian restaurant right there that we just passed. That's a pretty good restaurant. This is the Sundia, which kind of means that now you're into like the end of the prom. Really pretty hotel though. Beautiful amenities. Everybody loves this place. Down the promenade. I wouldn't do this if it's crowded, but it's a Saturday afternoon. Everybody's pretty much gone. chestnut, hot chestnut. US Beach Hotel. This is supposed to be one of the nicer ones too. Not so much fancy, but really good service and nice rooms. The mid-door. This is a great place for a drink late at night. They're open. This is the side of the promenade. You'll find a lot of the good hotels, but they're on the spendy side. You're probably gonna have like, if you even have like a grungy old building, that's a nice place. Holy cow! Get all the way down here. Everybody says, oh, I wouldn't mind having that house, I wouldn't mind having that house. But in the summertime at 2 o'clock in the morning, you would mind having that house. Because all you're going to hear is bump, bump, bump. All night long. That's why we like being away from the beach a little bit. I kind of wouldn't mind being closer, but I like the fact that we're far enough away that we don't hear the music. That's the Wonder Terrace, which I don't know what their deal is, but apparently they really like hike their prices and everybody's pretty pissed about that. So, and that's pretty much the end of the prom. You can go around there and there's all kinds of hotels and stuff down there, but we're gonna go this way today and kind of show you the back ways. You're fine, you're fine. We won't run him over. I do notice a ton more Russians here now. Like Tim was saying in another video, we went to go get our residency and 9 out of 10 of us were Russians. We were the only ones that weren't. This is kind of just like the back alleyways. They've got all kinds of little apartments here. Most of them closed down for the winter. But I mean, you can still find a room in winter. And like I said, this is t-shirt weather, so don't be afraid to come to Fethiye in December or January. If you have a few weeks, you're gonna find really nice days where you can go outside and sit at the beach. You can even go in the water. Little parks. This is the main drag right here, the main highway. The Promenade Market. So this is the main drag. If you're down here, just be aware that a lot of these guys don't stop at stoplights. They don't see you on the road. So you're gonna have to do your due diligence and watch out for them. Don't assume that they're gonna stop for you, because they will not. They go really, really fast through this corner right here. And they're coming down off the mountains, and well, maybe we will show you a little of this crazy ride because it's really bumpy. So if you're gonna rent anything, you might want to just keep that in mind. This road is pretty nasty. I don't even like driving it in the van. other Sunday in the summertime they have that street fair, the boot sale that we've taken you to. This is where that's at. And you can see straight ahead is the beach. So we're going to turn left here, show you the back way. Yeah, it's going to be tomorrow, so every other Sunday, tomorrow's going to be the boot sale. So they'll tell you no parking on Saturday night. There you go. 2 people, 2 kids. Surprised the mom wasn't hanging on the back. Look at how beautiful the mountains look today. That's the round trip in December. Not bad at all. Puppies crossing the bridge. My little bike lane here. And this is the little road that we always go down to the prom on. I'm sure you've seen this a million times. But if you're in Chalice and you want to go to the absolute very best restaurant in town, then go down this little promenade here until you see. Okay. Where are you cutting out to? All cheap. I'll stop right here so I can show you. So if you're on this street, this is where you're going to want to stop. You go in that little square right there that says Pedestrian Bazaar with the 3 signs in it. There'll be okay. But if you see that all cheap right there, right next to it is the Pedestrian Bazaar. And if you go in there and you go all the way to the back, you'll see the Charcoal Palace. That's where we have dinner at least twice a week, if not more. Best restaurant in town and the best fish and chips in the world, including the UK. Sorry, UK people.